Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to apply for a Sainsbury Bank Travel Money Card. So first we're going to go to our browser, then search for Sainsbury Bank UK. Then you're going to click on the first link that pops up. So as you can see, this is their official website. We're going to accept the cookie consent. Then you're going to click on the three lines on the top left corner. Then click on Travel Money. Then again, we're going to click on Products. Then click on Travel Money Card. So as you can see, this is their Travel Money Card ordering page. So once you guys see their requirements or what they offer, you're going to click on Order for Collection. So this is the exchange rate calculator. You guys will select your country and your currency, as well as how much you'd like to buy. Then once you select the Travel Money Card, you're going to click on Order Now. So this is where you're going to collect your Travel Money Card. So you're going to enter a postcode or a city. Then click on the location you have. So they're going to provide you with a list of locations you guys can pick it up from, as well as the time. So once you select the location you want to pick it up from, you can select the time you want as well, the date as well. Then you're going to click on Next. Then now you're going to enter your details, your name, your telephone number, your email address, your billing address, the type of digital wallet you want to select. You guys can select different card types since they have a lot of them, as you can see. Select the one which is relevant for you guys. Insert your date of birth. Then next, you're going to click on Review Your Order. So once you're done with this, they're going to review your order and confirm it. Then next step will be collecting your Travel Money Card. So this is how you basically do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.